In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic push button. I will show you how to learn it to a receiver, how to unlearn it from a receiver, and the color differences. To learn to a receiver, first you must hold down the P1 on the receiver. When the green LED comes on, place your hand on the push button while the receiver LED is still on. The receiver LED will light up green and the push button will start the gate. This indicates that the push button is now paired to the receiver. To unlearn from a receiver, hold down P1 on the receiver. When the green LED comes on, place your hand on the push button while the receiver LED is still on. The receiver LED will flash one time, then stay on for an additional 3 seconds. This indicates that the push button is now unlearned from the receiver. When the hand is 10 centimeters from the push button, the LED will turn blue. When the hand makes contact with the push button, the LED will turn green and beep. When the hand makes contact with the push button and the batteries are low, the LED will turn red and beep.